Are you looking for the best exercise bikes? In this video we will look at some of the best exercise bikes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Exercise bike for home indoor. Heavy-duty steel frame of the exercise bike guarantee the stability while cycling. It supports up to 300 pounds max weight. Infinite resistance system and belt drive system can ensure that you are in a stable state during exercise. Provide you with a smooth and silent riding experience. Suitable for all fitness levels. Configuring different resistance levels can bring you a realistic road feel. Different resistance levels can meet your different needs for exercise, thus burning more calories, and the built-in push-down emergency brake can protect your safety in dangerous situations. Easy and quick to set up and take down, with an extremely space-saving design. Easily movable with the front-mounted transport wheels of the spin bike. Our indoor cycling bike comes with fully adjustable handlebars and built-in arm and elbow rests. At the same time equipped with adjustable height seat. The seats are ergonomically designed, and can easily move forward, back and up, down. The exercise bike is equipped with a multifunction LCD monitor that displays time, speed, distance, calories burned, mile not km, allowing you to easily get all the training data, and equipped with a multifunction bracket that is equipped with water bottle holders, mobile phone bracket and pad bracket. You can watch videos or programs during training, enjoy sports and music, which can make the exercise more easily. Number 2. Caromix folding exercise bike. This bike allows you to exercise in both upright and semi-reclining positions, whether you want to burn more calories or enjoy a relaxed and comfortable riding experience. In addition, the bicycle is also equipped with an arm resistance band, which helps to exercise your upper muscles and relax your leg muscles. The LCD monitor can track your fitness performance while cycling, including time, speed, distance, calories burned, and heart rate. You can use this data to develop your fitness plan. Place your mobile devices on the stand, and you can exercise while lying down while watching videos, providing a very comfortable fitness experience. The magnetic resistance keeps fitness bicycles very quiet during cycling, with 16-level gear adjustment to meet your different riding needs. The sturdy heavy-duty steel frame and X-shaped structure provide you with a stable fitness bike, with a support capacity limited to 330 pounds. This folding exercise bike has a simple structure and is perfect for small living rooms or bedrooms. When not in use, it can be completely folded up without taking up too much space. It is also equipped with a transport wheel that can easily be moved from one room to another at your home gym. Most of the screws on our fitness bike are pre-installed and come with detailed installation instructions. For various groups of people, it only takes a little time from unboxing to completing assembly. Number 3. Recumbent exercise bike for adults. Senior. No buying worries. Designed and produced top-quality exercise machines for home use for over 20 years, Yasuda has been chosen by more than 3 million families. Protect your joints while still challenging yourself. Yasuda Recumbent bike is designed according to the advice of rehabilitation professionals, specially tailored for the elderly, obese, pregnant and those with knee and waist injuries. With the easy seat adjustment handle, you no longer have to get up off the exercise bike to make seating adjustments. Just a flick of a handle by your side. Furthermore, the infinitely adjustable seat ensures ample legroom and comfortable posture for users 4 feet 9 inches to 6 feet 2 inches. Yasuda Recumbent exercise bike provides a silent exercise experience. Easily integrate it into your daily routine, whether watching TV or reading, without disrupting your family or neighbors. Built with a sturdy frame using light commercial-grade steel for a longer service life, ensure excellent stability and safety, hold up to 350 pounds. Pre-installed most of the Recumbent bike, and clear step-by-step instructions and assembly videos for your reference, making installation a breeze. Easy to move after you completed the assembly. Our bike offers double the resistances of other Recumbent bikes, making it ideal for both beginners and professionals. Choose your workout level and achieve optimal efficiency. Number 4. Stationary exercise bike. Equipped with upgraded multi-grip handlebar, thickened triangular steel frame and whisper quiet belt-driven system, stationary bike enhances the stability and sturdy during your ride both in sitting and standing positions. Indoor cycling bikes support 330 pounds max, easily boosts your heart rate, reduce body fatigue. It's a great option for indoor, low-impact cardio, rainy day exercise, or as a supplement for jogging routine for the long term. This cycle bike with level 7 adjustable seat and level 5 adjustable handlebar, inseam height 31.8 to 38.5 inches, to fit users with 4'5 to 6'2' tall. The adjustable resistance rotary knob allows you to control the resistance to simulate riding on different terrains. Press the resistance bar to stop the flywheel immediately. Besides, this bike seat is ergonomically designed for optimum comfort and ease. Comfortable seat cushion allows you to ride for longer time. The digital monitor on exercise bike tracks your time, speed, distance, calories burned and odometer. The iPad holder, phone holder allows you to enjoy exercising and music at the same time, making it easier to keep exercising. Adjust your exercise plans to burn fat/lose weight/enhance heart/lung function/flat belly with these scientific data. The water bottle holder allows you to replenish water in time. Cage pedal with adjustable straps can be adapted to different sizes of feet without worrying about slipping. And floor levelers helps our workout bike fit to uneven grounds easily. Just tilt the 2 transport wheels to move it, making your living room feel like a private exercise studio. Workout bike is for a long-term exercise workout, but not simple products for only a few months use. Number 5. S3 Black Exercise Bike. Access to hundreds of Soul Fitness classes and start cardio with Soul Fitness app. A workout for everyone and work toward your best with encouragement from our professional instructors. Put your tablet in 10 screen mount, then connect it with heart rate monitor and bike via Bluetooth. Integration tracks cycling workouts and syncs your metrics, including distance, time, calories burned, speed, heart rate, odometer, and cadence for science and safe exercise. Opening parenthesis heart rate armband needs to be purchased separately. Closing parenthesis magnetic resistance systems can be highly durable and very quiet. Exercise without disturbing your family's sleep, work and read. The resistance offered is easily adjustable and includes a wide range of levels up to 100. Resistance knob for manual control. Resistance option, which automatically changes your resistance to match instructors' cues. Stable frame construction with durable steel for 350 pounds weight capacity. Press the resistance knob to stop the flywheel immediately. Bottle holder for quick hydration. 4x2 footprint that's smaller than your average yoga mat. Transport wheels for ease of moving. The stationary bike adjustable padded seat, handlebar and SPD clip pedals for people between 5 and 6.1 tall. Join the new cardio training routine with your family and friends. Enjoy free parts replacement for 12 months. The exercise bike comes 70% pre-assembled with a tool pack, allowing you to install it in just 30 minutes. Soul After Sales Service Team offers technical support and ensures your satisfaction with 12 months of free parts replacement. For any inquiries, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you for choosing us.